Kia ora students, welcome to Avonside, especially to all of our new Year 9s and also students who are new at other levels to our school. This is a digital orientation, Life in the Cloud with Office 365. The aim is to give you a brief overview of Office 365. Many of you will be familiar with Google Drive. At Avonside, we use Office 365. There are many similarities, but there's also some key differences, so let's have a look. A lot of you will be familiar with Microsoft applications and will have used Word or PowerPoint or perhaps Outlook Mail. With the advent of the digital age, the fact that Wi-Fi is everywhere, and also that we work collaboratively a lot more, the Microsoft software engineers have got together and they've reconfigured many of their apps so that they are cloud-based, which allow us to collaborate with ease. For you, this starts with your school email. This is connected to your own OneDrive. In your OneDrive, you can create Word and PowerPoints and Excel documents, and you can choose to share them if you wish. You've also got access to many other applications through the Office 365 suite, but more on that later. A key thing if you're wanting to collaborate on something is that you start it in your cloud or in your OneDrive. So for instance, if we were in class and we had to work together in groups of 3 on one document, I might start that document in my cloud and share it to your cloud and share it to somebody else's cloud, and together the 3 of us could work on that same document together, and we might even be sitting in different places around the room. If we wanted to use the full desktop application, we could bring that file down to the desktop app, and that means that we can use the desktop app which has all the bells and whistles, so it means we can do the flash stuff. When we save it, it syncs back to the cloud, and because I've shared that particular document with you, it would save back to you and also our other classmate. So that's very clever. Some of the applications that you're going to use with your learning at Avonside include those Microsoft Cloud apps within the OneDrive. Delve is a useful app that you might use to search documents that have been shared with you, particularly as they accumulate and you have lots of them. OneNote and Class Notebook are a key thing that you'll use. A Class Notebook is a special OneNote. It's one that your teacher creates, and it's got 3 different sections. It's got a contents section, a place where your teacher can place things that you can look at but you can't manipulate. It'll have a section for you, and this is where you will do your work and your teacher can see it so they can make comment. And then there's a collaboration space, and that is a place where anyone who's got access to your class notebook can work together with others. It's really important that you're a really good digital citizen when you're working collaboratively. Now, as part of the OneNote, you can have access to a plugin which you download called Learning Tools. At the moment, it's only accessible to those of you that use Windows machines. It has an immersive reader, so that reads the text to you that is on the page. It also has a dictation tool. There's also another plugin, and that is, it plugs into PowerPoint, and it's called Office Mix, and again that's Windows only, but hopefully it'll be available to Apples at some stage in the future, and it allows you to do what I'm doing right now. So I can ink and I can talk, and then we can play it back. There's also an app called Forms where you can create quizzes and surveys, Sway, which is another app, presentation tool, and there's all sorts of other things as well. So lots to explore within the Office 365 suite that you have got access to because you're a student at our school. So good luck with your learning. I'll be looking forward to seeing how creative and collaborative and how well you can communicate, and I'm sure that you're going to be able to create some fantastic pieces of learning and work using the Office 365 tools. Good luck.